Hello, thank you for joining me in this video. My name is Mayowa Onabanjo. I am business savvy and digital business expert. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through 5 steps to start an e-commerce business. 5 steps to start an e-commerce business. That is 5 major things that you need before you can start an e-commerce business, or 5 things or 5 factors that you need to consider before you start your e-commerce business. So that is what I'm going to be walking you through in this video. Please, before I will move further, I want to quickly beg you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, the notification, so that you'll be notified anytime that I drop educative content like this on my channel. Then thank you. So let's move on into the class properly. Number one factor that you need, or number one thing that you need before you commence, or when you are about to start your e-commerce business, that you need product. Yeah, you need something that you can offer online. You need something that you can exchange for money online. You need something that you can sell online. Okay, the second factor, or the second thing that you need, is market. You know, it's not about just having a product. You need market for that your product. So your product needs market. So first thing that you need to do before you even go further to start selling anything is to discover your market online. Where, what do you want to sell? Then who needs them? Who are these people? Who are the people that this product will solve their problem? You need to identify them. Then, now that you have discovered the product that you want to sell and you have discovered your market, then you need to know the means of communication that you are going to be using to reach out to these people. So how do you intend to reach out to them? Is it through paid ad, through influencer, or through the posts that you are going to be making online, or through the emails that you are going to be sending out, or through SMS marketing, or any medium that you want to use? Is it a live is it a video function like this one that I'm doing, or any other one that you want to use? So I've mentioned product, that you need product, and then I've also mentioned that you need market for your product. Then the third one that I mentioned is means of communication. That is how you are going to reach out to them, so that they will know that you are selling, or you are offering the product. Move to the next factor, which is the number 4 factor that you need, is the delivery. How do you intend to do the delivery mode once there's an order? Once there is customer purchase an order, how do you intend to do the delivery? No, it's one of the factors that you need to consider. Are you the one that is going to be doing it alone, or you are going to leverage on other parties, or you are going to start with your relatives? So how do you intend to deliver the product once the customer buy it? Then the last one that I'm going to consider in this video is your payment. How do you intend to receive your payment once there is an order? You know, it's one of the factors that you need to consider before you start your e-commerce business. So with factors that I've listed right now, you should be able to start your e-commerce business without any hassle. Remember that the first thing that you need when you are starting an e-commerce is product. You need product that you want to sell online. Okay. And then the second one is the market. That is the market that need the product that you want to sell. You want to sell online. The third one is means of communication. How do you intend to engage with them? Then the fourth one is logistics. That is your mode of delivery and others. And then the last one, which is the fifth one, is the payment. So thank you once again. My name is Mayowa Onabanjo. Please, once again, I want you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to see you again. Bye for now.